Hello! This is Carrie Livingood, and thank you for taking a moment to learn about the different Office 365 applications and how you can integrate them with your daily workflow. In this video, we will share with you some tips and tricks for using Microsoft Planner, an application that is great for organizing your team by assigning tasks and having a place where to-dos are laid out in a transparent, easy-to-comprehend table. Planner is a combination of a task list, calendar, to-do sheet, and event planner. It can be utilized for events or to-dos around the office and is great for teams that need to organize projects, meetings, and collaborations. If you are using Office 365, then you should be using Planner. To access Planner, log into your Microsoft Online portal. The home page shows you all the applications you have access to with your license, and from here, you can open the Planner application. You can download the app to your phone, but currently there is no desktop application. However, you can utilize the integration with Teams, or you can use it within your Office 365 portal. When you open the web application for Planner, you will be greeted with the Planner homepage. Here, you will see in the left-hand column options to make a new plan, access the Planner Hub, open My Tasks, and view your favorites or recent plans. Plans integrate with Microsoft Teams, but if your office is not using Teams, you can still use Planner. Let's start by creating a new plan by clicking the icon on the top left. Plans are the overarching item for your different tasks, so in the title you will put something like staff meetings, design project board, or office events. You can assign people to this plan based on either the Office 365 groups you have currently set up, or by making the event public for everyone to access, or private for invited members only to access. Click on the options to add a description to your new plan and then click Create. See your new dashboard within your plan, and on the right-hand side of the toolbar, there are options to add members. Click on Members and start typing in the names of those you would like to have added to this plan. Now that we have people in the plan, let's add tasks for them to complete. Click on the Add Task button and enter the name of the task that needs to be done, set a due date, and assign the task. When the task has been made, click on it to open more options for adding specific notes or attachments to the task. This is also where employees will fill out notes or update their tasks while they are working on them. In the tasks, there are also options for creating checklists. This is an added organization tool if a task requires more than one step of work. You now have a new task created and assigned, and you can further organize the plan by adding different buckets to the plan and organizing the tasks. We have added new tasks and organized them by bucket. So let's see these tasks in the schedule. Click on the Schedule button in the toolbar to open up the calendar. You will see the different task assignments and due dates on the calendar and the buckets on the side. You can also open tasks from the schedule like you would in the planning board to add notes and assign other users, and you can drag and drop tasks to assign new dates. The schedule board is very useful for visualizing the plan that you have created and to see when certain tasks need to be done by. The other item in our toolbar is the Charts board. This allows you to look at the progress of your tasks and see what buckets they are assigned to, what statuses they are in, what level of priority is assigned to your tickets, and how many tasks are in progress or have been completed. This view gives a helpful glance into the progress of your plans and will allow you to see what else needs to be completed in order to get your plan done. There are different options in the toolbar to access the conversations, members, files, notebooks, and sites to your plan. These different options integrate with other applications that are in the Office 365 subscription, like Outlook and SharePoint. Open these different options to see what tools you can use to best organize your plans. Other options here include adding a plan to your favorites, exporting your plan as an Excel file, copying a link of your plan to share with others, and most importantly, you can add the plan to your Outlook calendar. Plans do not add to your Outlook calendar by default, so if you would like to have your plan and your Outlook calendar in the same spot, click on this option. Once added, you will receive notifications for tasks that you are assigned to that need to be completed, and you will be able to view your tasks in your Outlook calendar. Thank you for taking the time to learn how you can best utilize Planner for creating and organizing your different projects and events. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us and we will be happy to help.